A claim by gazetted government servant for travelling allowance shall be presented on a bill in form number. Answer D. TR 47. A gazetted officer is authorized to draw the bill for his own pay and allowances and leave salary. Who will issue the authorization slip to draw the same? Answer C. Accountant General. A government servant who is reverted from a gazetted post to a non-gazetted post may draw his arrears claim for pay and allowances in respect of the gazetted period is in form number. Answer B. TR 46. Form for receipt for state excise revenue paid to a treasury officer is. Answer B. TR 14. Form for register of checks is. Answer A. TR 17. Form of absentee statement as. Answer A. TR 52. Form of currency chest slip is. Answer A. TR 38. Register of fully vouched contingent bill is. Answer A. TR 61. An advance granted to certain government servants to meet contingent charges relating to their offices before drawing bills for the amount is known as. Answer C. Permanent advance. Where a government has been invalidated from service and it is found that some government dues are outstanding against him even after the adjustment of his claims for pay and allowances, the same may be adjusted against the amount of. Answer B. Death cum retirement gratuity. The form used for acquittance roll of establishment is. Answer A. TR 95. The drawing officer filled up the columns dash and dash of a treasury bill book. Answer B. 1 to 6 and 12 and 13. The treasury should fill up columns dash to dash of a bill book. Answer A. 7 to 11. When a treasury bill book is found missing, the drawing officer concerned shall intimate the details to whom. Answer C. Concerned treasury officer. In the case of a lost bill book is found out subsequently, the concerned drawing officer can. Answer B. Cancel the blank pages and the requisition slip and keep in the safe custody. Who will issue the treasury bill books to the drawing and disbursing officers? Answer B. Treasuries. The protective endorsement under, followed by amount a little larger than that for which the check is drawn, need not be insisted for. Answer D. Treasury savings bank checks. A check shall remain current only for dash months. Answer A. 3 months from the date of issue. In the case of a check drawn by a drawing officer and receives a report that the check has lost, the drawing officer shall at once report the fact to. Answer B. Treasury Officer. The bill for refund of revenue is in form number. Answer A. TR 65. Pension payment in respect of a person in consideration of past employment under the Government of India or any of the state is called. Answer A. Service pension. All service pensions debitable to. Answer A. Consolidate fund of the state. The authority to renew pension payment order without references to Accountant General is dash in the case of pensioners half is lost. Answer B. District Treasury Officer. Payment of family pension in the case of death of a pensioner who receives monthly pension is sanctioned with effect from. Answer C. From the first day of the month following the month in which the death of pensioner take place.